Hi everyone! So today we're looking at using the nth term to generate a sequence. Last lesson we looked at finding the 50th and the 100th term in a sequence, but today we're going to look at generating the first 5 terms of the sequence. Now I lightly touched on that in the last video, but we're going to look at it in more detail today. Okay, so first of all, what I want you to remember is how we found the nth term in the first place. So I'm going to do a little recap on that, just so you can see the link, okay? So if I had a sequence that went 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. Okay, if I was finding the nth term of that sequence, I would first of all be looking at the difference between each number or each term in the sequence. So I can see it's plus 3 each time. So the nth term would be 3n because it goes up in threes. Now remember, this is the key part to this, okay? This 3n represents the 3 times table, okay? So that's the 3 times table. Okay, so I'm going to write my 3 times table above my sequence, and I'm going to see how it has changed each time. So how has it been affected? So how has it got from 3 to 4, 6 to 7, 9 to 10? Well, we've added 1. So that's why the nth term would be 3n plus 1, because it's a 3 times table, but plus 1 every time. Okay, so that's what's key here. Okay, now we're going to use that, remembering now that, and we're going to have a look at how to do it for finding the first 5 terms of the sequence. So we're going to go the opposite way, I suppose. So if we needed to know the first 5 terms, now first of all, I've got the nth term is n minus 3. Now we need to remember that that means that it's 1n minus 3. So actually our sequence is based on the 1 times table. Yeah, so this part represents the 1 times table. So first of all, that's what I'm going to write out. I only need the first 5 terms of the sequence, so I'm going to just write out 5 of them. So my 1 times table is represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's the first 5 terms of the 1 times table. But what's happening is it's not just the 1 times table. We've now got to take away 3 from the 1 times table. So my jump now is take away 3. So I've got to take 3 away from each term in the sequence. So 1 take away 3, negative 2. 2 take away 3, negative 1. 3 take away 3, 0. 4 take away 3, 1. 5 take away 3, 2. And that is the first 5 terms of my sequence. Okay, so it's remembering that it's whatever the times table is, write that part out, and then do what it says on the end. So whether you've got to add a number to each part or take away a number from each part. So let's have a look at the next one. So we've got 3n plus 2. So we know that this 3n represents the 3 times table. So like I did on this first one, I'm going to write out the 3 times table. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I only want the first 3 terms, don't I? 5, sorry. And then this time, the 3 times table is being affected by adding 2, or changed by adding 2 to each term. So I'm going to add 2 to each term. So my sequence now is 5, 6 add 2 is 8, 9 add 2 is 11, 12 add 2 is 14, 5 add 2 is 17. So the first 5 terms of my sequence are these. You have a go now.